Hi, everyone. Sean Gilliam here with Location Real Estate. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to another episode of my monthly market update. I'm going to be taking a look at data from the month of November of this year, 2021, and seeing how the numbers are shaping up, how the market is trending. We'll be taking a look at data again for Boulder, Larimer, Weld counties, so you get an idea of what's going along here in the Front Range of northern Colorado. We'll focus here on the median sales price, the average sales price, the percent of list price received, as well as the inventory of homes for sale and the month supply of inventory. So we'll start here with Boulder County. Looking at the median sales price, it is up 20.5% from November of 2020. So a single family home, the median sales price is $765,000. The average sales price is up 28.6% for a single family home, and that average sales price is $1,013,956. When we go to the percent of list price received, it's at 101.6%. This is an indication that homes or that buyers are having to come in at or above list price in order to secure a deal. The inventory of homes for sale is down 51.3% from last year at this time. So there were 167 homes on the market in Boulder County compared to 343 homes that were on the market for November of 2020. So significant reduction in inventory this year. And as such, our month supply of inventory is 0.5 months. That's down 50% from last year at this time when it was 1 month supply of inventory. And as you know, the month supply of inventory is a metric that we use to give an idea of the health of a market. And so think of it this way: if we were to just stop putting any new listings on the market and sell the current inventory at the pace at which they are now selling, then it would take about a half month to sell the current inventory on the market. And to give you an idea of what that means, a seller's market is anywhere from 6 months supply of inventory on down to zero. And then a buyer's market is about 7 months supply of inventory on up. And so a balanced market is right between 6 and 7 months when buyers and sellers have a similar advantage when purchasing or selling a home. And as you can see, though, with 0.5 months supply of inventory, we are looking at a strong seller's market. And we'll see similar numbers here when we get into Larimer County. The median sales price for Larimer County is up 21%. So a single family home at the median value is $527,000. And then the average sales price is up 23.6% at $617,000 for a single family home. Percent of list price received, that's at 101.1%. So on average, homes in Larimer County are selling above list price. And again, that's just an indication that buyers are having to come in at or above list price to secure a deal with the seller. Inventory of homes for sale is at 326 homes on the market for the month of November. That's down 42.1% from November of 2020 when there were 563 homes on the market. And again, as such, the month supply of inventory for Larimer County is 0.6. So that's down 45.5% from November of 2020 when there was 1.1 month supply of inventory. Now looking here at Weld County, the figures here, median sales price is up almost 20% in Weld County. So a single family home is selling at $475,000. And then the average sales price is up 18.4%, selling at $504,000 for a single family home. Percent of list price received is 101.2%. Again, an indication that buyers are having to come in on average over list price. And then the the inventory of homes for sale is 401. That is down 42.6% from November of 2020 when there were 698 homes on the market. And so we can see a significant reduction in inventory across the board with Boulder, Larimer, and Weld counties. The month supply of inventory for Weld County is 0.6 month supply of inventory, and that's down 45.5%. When it was in November of 2020, there were 1.1 month supply of inventory of homes on the market. So those are the figures for Boulder, Larimer, and Weld counties. As you can see, inventory is going down. I will say we did start to see it creep up here earlier this year, and it seemed like more homes were coming on the market. But as we've gotten into the fall and winter, we've seen that inventory go down pretty significant levels. I mean, 0.6 months supply of inventory is a strong seller's market. Not a lot of homes out there on the market or in our current inventory. So strong seller's market and strong buyer demand out there. is just going to continue to put upward pressure on prices. So we'll see those go up. I don't think it's going to continue to rise as it has. We see double-digit percentage increase in home values here this year, but I think that's going to taper off as we get into next year and 5 years out. So I think we're going to be moving again more towards a more balanced market when that month supply of inventory will likely go up to about 6 to 7 months. We'll see price appreciation slow down to, gradually down to like 2 to 3% per year. And so I think that's what we have to look forward to. I think on the economic level, I think we're still in recovery mode. And I think that's going to still continue to improve, and that will bode well for the real estate market. It might inspire some sellers to put their home on the market if they see that the economy continues to improve. And it might bring more buyers to the market as their personal economies improve along with the national economy, and that we'll have more buyers on the market able to buy homes, even with these increased prices. Mortgage rates will start to creep up too. They're forecasting, upwards of 3.7% for a 30-year fixed mortgage. So we'll expect to see that go up on a national scope or on a large scale. That doesn't have a huge impact on real estate sales, but it might have an impact on your personal purchasing power if you intend to buy a home. So if you're looking to have as much purchasing power as possible, it'd be better to get in the market sooner rather than later, because we're going to see these rates start to go up here as we get into 2022. So those are the figures. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. If you want market data specific to the area that you live in here in Northern Colorado, I can pull those figures for you to give you an idea of what's going on locally for you. And then also, if you're interested in buying or selling a home, I'm here to help you. You can reach me here at 970-313-6706, and we can talk about the best steps for you moving forward based on your circumstances and what's going on out there in the real estate market. So I look forward to talking to you soon. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you next time. Take care.